Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear audience. Welcome to today's video. My dear audience, do you know that one of the brightest object we see in the night sky does not produce any light? Yes, the moon looks bright and beautiful, but it is not luminous. Then how does it shine? Why does we see the light of moon? How it is visible to us? In this video, we will explore this fascinating phenomena and learn about two important categories of objects, luminous objects and non-luminous objects. We will find out the main difference between these objects. Luminous objects are which produce their own light. In this picture, you can find out many objects that produce their own light. Let's start with definition of luminous objects. Objects that produce their own light are called luminous objects. For example, torch, bulb, lantern, candle, all these objects are luminous as they are producing light. Here fire, firefly, torch, bulb and burning sun. They are luminous. Examples of luminous objects are sun, stars, electric bulb, candle flame, torch light and firefly. All these things produce light, so they are called luminous objects. Luminous objects may be natural, such as firefly, or may be artificial, such as candle or bulb. Here you can differentiate between luminous and non-luminous objects. Bulb, candle, fire, torch, and firefly. All these things are luminous. So the main key points about luminous objects are luminous objects can be seen clearly because they emit light themselves. For example, sun is a luminous object. The glowing globe, torch, and candle. Here you can find out many luminous objects. Now come to what are non-luminous objects. Objects that do not produce their own light are called non-luminous objects. Mean they do not emit any type of light, so they are dull or non-shiny. They are non-luminous. For example, here book, globe, chair, plant, these are non-luminous. In this classroom, you can also find many luminous and non-luminous objects. Examples of non-luminous objects are moon, book, chair, tree, table, and human beings. All these things do not produce any type of light, so they are non-luminous objects. Here you can identify many non-luminous objects in this picture. They have no light, so they are non-luminous. And the key points about non-luminous objects are they are seen only when light from a luminous source falls on them and reflect into our eyes. In this way, we are able to see non-luminous objects. Here you can see that sunlight is falling on the ball and then light is entering in the eye, so it is visible. In the same way, moon is also visible to us. Next, we will discuss the question why moon is non-luminous. Many people think that moon produces its own light. Actually, moon reflects the light coming from the sun. Therefore, moon is non-luminous. Just like the ball is visible to us because sunlight is reflecting from the ball into our eyes. In the same way, light of sun is falling on the moon and reflecting into our eyes. So moon is visible to us. In the same way, all non-luminous objects are visible to us. When light falls on it and enter in our eyes, they becomes visible to us. Some interesting facts. Sun is the main natural source of light on earth and it is luminous. Fireflies are living luminous organisms. The moon shines because it reflects sunlight. Most objects around us are non-luminous, and we are able to see them because the light of a luminous body fall on it and we are able to see them. I have activity for you. Look around your room and identify luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Make a table of luminous and non-luminous objects and write at least 5 examples. In this picture, you can also identify luminous and non-luminous objects very clearly. In your classroom, you have also a lot of luminous and non-luminous objects. So we can conclude that objects that produce their own light are called luminous objects, while objects that do not produce light and depend on reflected light are called non-luminous objects. Understanding this difference help us know how we see things around us. I hope you have understand the topic. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz till the next video.